Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude projects for different use cases like writing, coding, and research using these simple methods. This is the best way to divide your major daily tasks into separate digital rooms so your writing helper can switch its focus perfectly depending on what you need to build. Step 1. Build a writing project room for creative content generation. The first step is to open your sidebar dashboard and set up a dedicated workspace room focused entirely on articles, scripts, and regular text layout creation. Move your mouse over to the left side menu, click the button to start a fresh project space, title it clearly as Writing and Content Box, and open the Custom Instructions text field line. Type in a clear rule asking the tool to maintain an easy, friendly voice and set your formatting preference to use short, scannable bullet lists instead of long walls of text. Because creative writing requires a completely different vocabulary map than technical tasks. By isolating your creative content goals inside this specific workspace folder, you ensure that the assistant uses descriptive language and avoids loading your screen with dense, rigid paragraphs. It centers its memory completely on natural human expression. Step 2. Establish a coding project room with clear rule boundaries. The second step is to create an entirely separate project chamber designed solely to review, write, and clean up your software scripts. Go back to your main panel view, click the Project Edition button a second time, label this new space as Coding and Tool Workspace, and open up its independent instructions box rows. Type your exact layout rules into the box, such as always provide the full text block rather than small snippets, and write simple comment lines explaining each change you make to the code layers. Because coding workflows require absolute precision and no conversational filler sentences, setting up a distinct code room keeps the tool from printing friendly greeting lines or lengthy summary paragraphs that just waste your screen canvas rows. It locks the system focus into delivering clean, direct, and ready-to-use software files instantly. Step 3. Construct a deep research workspace folder and upload core reference materials, book files, and information sheets. Create your third project room on your screen under the title Deep Research and Analysis. Click on the small paperclip icon inside the dashboard view and choose your major data documents from your computer hard drive. Select all your background data reports, wait a few moments for the file upload status meters to click over to 100%, and type an instruction note telling the tool to only pull facts from those exact sheets. Because deep research requires the tool to stop guessing or pulling random facts from the public web network. By attaching your master reference files directly inside this isolated room memory card, you build a protective knowledge wall. The assistant will read through your massive text data blocks to pull out exact citations and true summaries without getting confused by your separate writing or coding files. And that's it. To use Claude projects for different use cases, you first build a dedicated writing room with custom style rules for creative text on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the menu to establish a separate coding project folder that blocks conversational filler lines on your screen canvas rows to focus on raw script lines. Then you construct a research project room and upload your master reference data sheets to lock down factual analysis. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.